The Jade Roller. You've seen it all over social media, maybe a friend swears by it, but what exactly is this smooth, cool stone, and does it live up to the hype? Jade rollers have exploded in popularity, promising a natural way to achieve that coveted radiant glow. These handheld tools, typically made of jade or rose quartz, are more than just a pretty addition to your skincare routine. They offer a moment of self-care and relaxation, transforming your daily routine into a spa-like experience. But do they really deliver on their promise of sculpted cheekbones and depuffed skin? Let's delve deeper. The allure of the Jade Roller isn't new. This simple yet elegant tool has been a staple in beauty routines for centuries, particularly in Eastern cultures. Its origins can be traced back to ancient China, where it was more than just a beauty accessory. For centuries, jade has been revered in Eastern cultures, particularly in China. The stone itself is deeply embedded in Chinese history and culture, often associated with nobility and spiritual significance. Jade was not only used for its aesthetic appeal but also for its supposed mystical properties. It's not just a pretty stone, it symbolizes prosperity, purity, and serenity. The Chinese believed that jade could bring good fortune and protect against negative energy. This belief extended to its use in various forms, from jewelry to intricate carvings and of course the jade roller. In ancient China, jade was believed to have healing properties and was used in traditional medicine. Practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine would use jade to balance the body's energy, or qi, and to promote overall health. The jade roller was one such tool that was thought to enhance circulation and reduce inflammation. Empresses and nobles incorporated jade rollers into their beauty rituals, believing they could preserve youthful skin and promote inner balance. These rollers were often intricately designed and passed down through generations, becoming a symbol of status and beauty. These rollers were seen as a way to maintain harmony within the body, reflecting a holistic approach to beauty and well-being. The gentle rolling motion was believed to stimulate the lymphatic system, helping to detoxify the skin and reduce puffiness. This practice was not just about outer beauty but also about achieving a sense of inner peace and balance. Today, the jade roller's popularity has transcended borders, bringing this ancient beauty secret to the modern world. In contemporary beauty routines, jade rollers are celebrated for their ability to enhance skincare products' absorption and provide a soothing facial massage. This timeless tool continues to be a testament to the enduring wisdom of ancient beauty practices, bridging the gap between past and present. Jade rollers are deceptively simple tools. They consist of a smooth, polished stone, usually jade or rose quartz, attached to a handle. The stone typically has a larger end for the cheeks and forehead, and a smaller end for the under-eye area and around the nose. The magic happens with the rolling motion. Gently gliding the roller across your skin creates a light massage. This massage stimulates blood circulation and lymphatic drainage. Lymphatic drainage is essentially your body's way of removing toxins and waste. By promoting this process, jade rollers can help reduce puffiness and improve skin tone. While jade rolling has been practiced for centuries, modern science is still catching up on fully understanding its benefits. Some studies suggest that facial massage, like that provided by a jade roller, can increase blood flow to the skin. This increased circulation can lead to a brighter complexion and a healthy glow. Additionally, the cooling sensation of the jade stone can help to temporarily reduce puffiness, especially around the eyes. However, it's important to note that jade rollers are not a miracle cure for wrinkles, acne, or other skin conditions. Their benefits primarily lie in promoting lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness, and providing a relaxing self-care ritual. Ready to give jade rolling a try? This ancient beauty ritual has been cherished for centuries, and it's known for its soothing and rejuvenating effects on the skin. Whether you're new to jade rolling or looking to refine your technique, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you get the most out of your jade roller. Here's a simple guide to get you started. Jade rolling can be a relaxing addition to your skincare routine, helping to reduce puffiness, improve circulation, and promote lymphatic drainage. Let's dive into the steps. Step 1. Prep your skin. It's essential to start with a clean face to ensure that your skin can fully absorb the benefits of the jade roller. Begin with a clean face and apply your favorite serum or moisturizer. This not only hydrates your skin but also creates a smooth surface for the jade roller to glide over. The serum or moisturizer acts as a lubricant, preventing any tugging or pulling on your delicate facial skin. This will help the roller glide smoothly over your skin. The smoother the glide, the more effective the massage will be, allowing the Jade roller to work its magic on your skin. Step 2. Upward and outward strokes. The direction in which you roll the Jade roller is crucial for achieving the best results. Starting at the center of your face, gently roll the Jade roller upwards and outwards towards your temples. This motion helps to lift and firm the skin, promoting a more youthful appearance. Be sure to use gentle pressure to avoid any irritation. Repeat this motion 3 to 5 times on each area. Consistency is key, so take your time and enjoy the process. The repetitive motion not only feels relaxing but also stimulates blood flow and encourages lymphatic drainage. Step 3. Don't forget your neck. The neck is often overlooked, but it's just as important as your face. Extend the massage down to your neck, rolling from the base of your neck upwards towards your jawline. This helps to improve circulation and reduce tension in the neck area, which can often hold stress. Step 4. Clean your roller. Keeping your Jade roller clean is essential for maintaining its effectiveness and ensuring it remains hygienic. After each use, wash your Jade roller with mild soap and water. This removes any product residue and bacteria that may have accumulated during use, and allow it to dry completely before storing it. Proper care of your Jade roller will ensure it lasts longer and continues to provide the best results for your skin. Happy rolling! Section 6. MythBusters, separating fact from fiction. As with any popular beauty trend, there are bound to be myths surrounding Jade rollers. These myths can often lead to misconceptions and misuse of the product, which can ultimately affect the results you see. Today, we are going to debunk some of the most common myths associated with Jade rollers, and provide you with the facts you need to use them effectively. Myth 1. Jade rollers erase wrinkles. This is perhaps the most widespread myth about Jade rollers. While Jade rolling can temporarily plump up the skin, giving it a more youthful appearance, it won't magically erase wrinkles. The act of rolling can help to stimulate blood flow and may reduce puffiness, but it is not a substitute for more intensive anti-aging treatments. Wrinkles are a natural part of aging and require more targeted treatments, such as retinoids, laser therapy, or even professional dermatological procedures to effectively reduce their appearance. Myth 2. You need to apply a lot of pressure. This is a common misconception that can actually do more harm than good. Gentle pressure is key when using a Jade roller. The goal is to promote lymphatic drainage and improve circulation, not to press so hard that you irritate your skin. Pressing too hard can actually irritate the skin and be counterproductive. It can lead to redness, inflammation, and even broken capillaries, which are small blood vessels that can become visible on the skin's surface. Myth 3. All Jade rollers are created equal. This is far from the truth. The quality of Jade rollers can vary greatly. Some are made from authentic jade or rose quartz, while others are made from cheaper materials that may not provide the same benefits. Look for rollers made from authentic jade or rose quartz, as these materials are believed to have natural cooling properties that can help to soothe the skin, and avoid rollers with squeaky or loose parts. These can be signs of poor craftsmanship, and may not provide the same level of effectiveness. Investing in a high-quality Jade roller can make a significant difference in your skincare routine. Section 7. The verdict, beauty secret, or passing trend. So, are Jade rollers worth the hype? The truth lies somewhere in between a beauty secret and a passing trend. Jade rollers offer a relaxing and enjoyable way to enhance your skincare routine. They can temporarily reduce puffiness, promote lymphatic drainage, and help your skincare products absorb better. However, it's important to manage expectations. Jade rollers are not a substitute for a consistent skincare routine or professional treatments. Their benefits are primarily temporary and subtle. Ultimately, the decision of whether to incorporate a Jade roller into your routine is a personal one. Section 8. Beyond the roller, exploring other facial massage tools. The Jade roller isn't the only tool in town when it comes to facial massage. Gua sha stones, often made from jade or rose quartz, offer a more targeted approach to facial massage. Their unique shapes and edges can help to relieve muscle tension and promote lymphatic drainage. Facial rollers made from other materials, such as amethyst or obsidian, are also gaining popularity. Each stone is believed to possess its own unique energetic properties. Experimenting with different tools and finding what works best for your skin and preferences can be part of the fun. Section 9. Join the conversation. Share your Jade roller experience. Have you tried a Jade roller? What are your thoughts? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious newbie, we'd love to hear from you. Let's continue the conversation about skincare, self-care, and the quest for radiant skin.